Yo, what's good guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful LUXE bidet. This was probably the easiest installation that I've ever gone through for a bidet, so let's just get into it right now. First thing you're going to need is a box cutter. This is really just to open the box of your LUXE bidet. Next you're going to need two pliers, one tongue and groove pliers, which is adjustable. This is also called channel locks, which is also just a brand. And then you're also going to need a regular set of pliers. These are Stanley pliers. You're also going to need a flathead or slotted screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Personally, I like to use my Stanley 6-in-1 because I don't have to always carry around the flathead. I can just use this 6-in-1, which has the Phillips on one end and then it has a flathead on the other. And within that, there's two different sizes for each. So two different size flatheads and two different size Phillips heads. Next, you're going to need a large sponge for soaking up water. This is for putting it into the toilet tank and absorbing the water out of the tank. You also have the option of using rubber gloves. This is really up to you. Personally, I don't like to use them because I feel like sometimes they just get in the way. You're going to get the T adapter, which is probably the most important thing for this installation. This is going to attach to the bottom of your toilet tank. And then you also get a plastic wrench, which we are not using. It's to tighten stuff. And then it comes with two different types of spacers for your toilet bidet. It's really based on your toilet seat and the make of your toilet, etc. if you need those spacers. You also get some plumber's tape. This plumber's tape is basically to secure the threads from any leakage. So you're going to put it onto this black part here. And you're also going to put it onto this metal part sticking out of the T adapter. So once you take off the plastic cap to your T adapter, you're going to make sure that you are checking this T adapter for the black washer. This black washer here inside there is probably the most important thing. This is going to secure your toilet from leaking. If you can't find it, check the box, check the bags, make sure it's in there. If you don't have it, I would contact LUXE Bidet. The first thing we want to do is make sure we turn off our water supply to the tank. This will stop any water from flowing into the tank. Afterwards, all we need to do is flush the toilet and empty out as much water from the tank as possible. Then we're going to remove our tank lid and use our sponge to absorb any residual water. All of the excess water from the sponge can be squeezed out into the toilet bowl. Now that your toilet tank is nice and dry, we're going to move on to loosening the bolts of the toilet seat. Now your toilet seat might be different from this one. Mine just had these two plastic covers covering them with adhesive, so I just flipped those off with the flathead screwdriver, but yours might be different. You might have flaps, you might have buttons. It's specific to your toilet seat. If you're having any trouble actually loosening your toilet seat, you may have to get down underneath the toilet seat and hold on to the bolt or nut or whatever that's under there, and that'll help you loosen that up. If you happen to have a concealed or skirted toilet, you may not have the same access as me. If you'd like a video of me showing you how to install this onto a concealed or skirted toilet, let me know in the comment section. Now that the toilet seat has been loosened, you may now install your LUXE bidet. While lifting up the toilet seat, slide the bidet hinges underneath the seat, securing the two bolts between the two hinges. Being sure to center the bidet nozzles so that they can spray correctly. One of the features of the bidet is that these two hinges here allow you to flip the bidet up and down in order to clean underneath it. So you have to ensure that these hinges are able to be used correctly before tightening the bidet all the way down to the toilet. Once the toilet seat and bidet are nice and snug, we can move on to applying plumber's tape to the T adapter. You're going to wrap the plumber's tape around the middle threads 4 or 5 times, making sure not to cover the hole, which could result in decreased water flow or even stoppage. Now we're going to remove the toilet supply hose and attach the T adapter in its place. You may or may not need to use a wrench to loosen the supply hose from the tank. I used a 10-inch channel locks and loosened the rest by hand. Now we're going to attach the adapter. Make sure you align the threads by first twisting counterclockwise and then clockwise to tighten. Follow this by attaching the supply hose to the bottom of the adapter. There's one final step and we're good to go. Use the water supply hose that came in the box to attach the adapter and the bidet. The mesh screen side should be attached to the adapter, while the other side should be attached to the bidet. And finally, we can turn the water back on. Use this moment to check all of the connections for any leaks. If there are any leaks, either tighten the connection, check to make sure they're connected properly, or check to see if you're missing a rubber washer. If everything is running smoothly, you can finally start washing your ass.